and I am excited. I am excited. I feel joy. Okay, we are now 900 subscribers. And you know the goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We're 100 people away. Come on, YouTube family. Call somebody. Tell somebody. You know, let's get these 100 subscribers up, because when we get that, we're going to have the 2 Amazon giveaways, and you know, each one is $25. So one is for anybody that refers 5 people, 4 people, or more over to subscribe. So what they have to do is they have to subscribe, and then they have to say they was referred by you, so you can get the credit, okay? And the other $25 Amazon giveaway is for anyone who have ever subscribed. So we're gonna pull one drawing for that, okay? So that at least everybody's in the bag, but only one name is gonna get picked for that, and one name is gonna get picked for the Amazon giveaway that I just previously said, okay? So listen, let's do this, okay? Because we want to make it official. I'm going to actually shout that day. I'm not kidding. I'm going to really shout. I feel joy right now, but that day you're going to make me so happy. So come on, let's do it, shall we? I can't wait. Can you? Okay, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and